One.
Are you guys
Crystal, do your intro.
okay? Look at this hideous cake that my best friends made me for my 21st birthday.
You suck. That wasn't even. That was not a smash.
On my face.
That was not a smash.
Face the
Smash
cake.
it.
Face the cake.
No.
Not the cake to face.
Face the pan. I want you to lick the pan.
The A looks better. So now that it's on my fucking face.
Now punch it.
You go back and